TNXP stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And notice how that's the only guy, myself, in this space that has done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything. I'm the only one that can show you actual data of what's working and what's not, because it's all on my YouTube channel. Now, the real bullishness began right here. It was a break-even point, but it was like such a great call out. Like it was again, that's how $17 was aiming for like 22, 23 2 months ago, and then we reached freaking 44. You know, easy. Since that point here, I'm going to tell you that I'm looking to just double down on this bullish market. That is, here's my top, here is my demand zone, and only if the price does shift and shows me a double break, then I'm buying. In the meantime, I'm just waiting for rules. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to get my money-making emails and insights for free and stay tuned with TNXP, click the first link in the description. Like I said, it's free.